Hello student, we are doing balancing here. Here oxidation of pyrite gives Fe2O3 and this iron oxide and SO2 is the product here. Pyrite gives Fe2O3, that is iron oxide, and SO2, that is sulfur dioxide is obtained. So first we will write down the complete balance equation. Only unbalanced equation it is Fe2 plus O2 gives you Fe2O3 plus SO2. Here we now count on the atom on the both the side. This is reactant, this is product. Iron, sulfur, oxygen, 1 2 2. Here 1 2 2. Here 2 iron, 1 sulfur and oxygen. Both of the molecule are having oxygen. So from Fe2O3 it is 3 and from SO2 it is 2. Okay. So first we will discuss this about, because it is odd number, we have to make it even. So if we multiply this by 2, so whole of the Fe2O3 is also multiplied by 2, because in this 3 is coming from Fe2O3. So if we see here, I multiply Fe also by this 2. So now it is 4 Fe. So 4 Fe2O3, but rest I am not balancing. Okay, first I balance this oxygen by this 3 by 2, 6, 8 oxygen, total 8 oxygen, and then I balance iron. Okay, because if we multiply this by 2, so multiply this whole by 2, so twice of Fe2O3. Clear? Now we will see iron. So if we are multiplying Fe2O3 by 2, so it is 4 iron, and that is why we balance. To balance iron, we have to multiply Fe2 by 4. Now 4 sulfur will be there. Okay, now oxygen, this iron is 4 and sulfur 2 times 4 is 8. Now sulfur here is 8, but here on the product side it is only 1. So multiply this sulfur by 8. So we will get 8 sulfur. Clear? And when we will multiply 8 SO2, 8 sulfur, okay, at that moment we will see that it is now 8 SO2. Oh my god, again we have to balance oxygen. Earlier we balanced from this for to make it even. Now we have to make, because we did 8 SO2, so multiply this whole by 8. So now it is 8 times 2 is 16. So total 22 oxygen. So now new step we will see that oxygen is 2 here. We have not done this type of this side oxygen. Now we have to multiply this by 11. At last we have to balance oxygen. So 11. So 11 times 2 is 22. Both the side oxygen is balanced. We have seen all of them are balanced. Iron, oxygen and sulfur, all of them both side equal. So reaction is balanced. It is little tricky but very easy to